Are you still writing the captions for your social media posts manually, wasting hours every single week? This is the solution. You simply use one of the most well-known AIs ever, which is ChatGPT. But what you do with ChatGPT is you upload the photo that you're going to use for that particular social media post, and you give it a prompt. And this is the prompt, okay? You give it the prompt and you say, I would like to write a caption for the photo attached. And you say, I am a job role creating a post for target market. My objective is to, whatever it is, sell more protection, grow my brand, do whatever, sell more mortgages, get more referrals, whatever that post is about. Yeah. And then you add a bit of your personality. So you could then say, make it funny. You could say, make it ultra professional. You could say, you know, make it eye catching and punchy. Whatever, yeah. And mess around with different quotes like that, but or different variations of the prompt. But it's not like you can simply do this. Like we all know how good ChatGPT is, right? It does this in a millisecond, like, but you've got it. The key to it is the prompt. So I am a mortgage broker based in Newcastle, and I'm creating a post about this testimonial. Upload it. And my target market is generally people between 30 and 50 who earn X amount, who are first time buyers or home movers. My objective is to grow my brand and to spark engagement and to get people drawn into this post based on the caption. Please make it a little bit funny and eye catching with a good headline. Like, it, like if you put that prompt into ChatGPT, the caption will be unreal. Copy it, tweak it slightly because it's 99% there most of the time. Like sometimes it doesn't get it fully, but it's there. It certainly saves you a lot of time. Pinch that, bang it on socials, done. Yeah, you can even get it to create imagery, but let's get onto that in a different session. But you can, like, sometimes people stall on the caption because they don't know what to write and it takes them a while and they're messing around and they're deleting bits and they're spacing it out, putting emojis. Just use ChatGPT. It takes a second. Yeah. So we're talking a lot about AI in the community, all about how to use it to be more efficient, create content, do lower end tasks for you, from admin to structuring. There's even AI now that'll do your emails for you, but we'll get into all of that in the community. But start using it. If you're not using it, like, you're literally wasting time. So the Wealthy Advisor Club, I see you there.